Hey guys, this is Rachel Feldman. We are so beyond thrilled to be delivering a 3-month intuitive eating program, which is called Eat with Intention. In a world where we have our clients looking for so many different fad diets or living in the yo-yo dieting world, binge eating, and also feeling emotionally and spiritually and physically vacant with a myriad of different issues like body image and self-love, we wanted to bring you this program because this is the ultimate transformation, is when we truly listen to our body and say, what do I need? Am I hungry emotionally? Am I hungry physically? And that is why we have poured our heart, our soul, and a team of writers into this program to deliver this to you. Now, we made this module based. This is 3 months, but this could be a course. This could be a 3-month program. This could be a mastery, high ticket program, your one-on-one, anything. So I want to just show you how gorgeous and how high value, and you will see this on the sales page at yourhealthcoachbiz.com, exactly module 1. And you will see each week what your client will go through so that you can teach them intuition, action steps, homework, mindfulness. We also have this amazing mindful eating assessment chart, which is great for you to do with your client. More homework. But homework that we have to do, and why diets don't work. All the stuff that we know, the physical, the emotional hunger. So you could even do this as an online group, offline, in your one-on-one. We wanted to make this so that there were so many beautiful action steps, but also ones that gave your clients the permission to listen to gut, to listen to soul. To match the module, we also have a PowerPoint. I always say, when you're thinking about how long this would take you to find the pictures, to put the information, even to hire a virtual assistant, this is why we wanted to make it easy for you. These could be pre-recorded. You could do this live. You could even have this leading to a retreat. When I think of high ticket programs, I think of transformational ones like this. So this is really the hunger scale, understanding fullness. And you will see this is really like an action guide workbook. How's the food making you feel? Have you come to peace with who you are? That self-love, that relationship with food. Because food, as Janine Ross says, is a reflection of who you are. Your plate is a reflection of who you are. Forgiveness. All these things that we need to do to truly get to a place of intuition, to a place of self-love and self-care, where we're not defined by, I want to eat ketogenic, or I'm on a diet, or I'm eating paleo, or I'm eating this. Especially, if you do have certain health issues, of course, my journey was, thank goodness for our ketogenic program. Thank goodness for paleo and grain-free and raw and all the different journeys that I've had to take with my autoimmune. But at the end, I landed where I am now, which is eating with intuition, eat with intention, eat consciously, think consciously, be conscious. Then we move into the that breaking the cycle, the body positive, love, the self-love. What do I deserve? These amazing action steps and these mantras, this homework. So it's a lot of self-discovery. And the only niche that we would not suggest this for, and we just want to say this very openly, are if you're working with people with eating disordered issues. I know that with my food issues when I was younger and body conscious stuff, it took me time to get to a place where I wasn't holding on to the food. But so we encourage you, I mean, your clients, but eating with intention and intuition can definitely be a journey for those with eating disorders, but we don't encourage if one needs to really be secure with the exact foods they're eating. This could maybe be the next step. You have a beautifully designed food diary. You also have an intuitive eating journal where you can have your client go through this, the affirmations. There's so much that you could do in your one-on-one session. There's so much that you can do in a group, online, offline. When I think of tapping into self and soul and how food affects us, how people affect us, negative energy, I would have loved to have had that journal for my clients when I had Rachel's Wellness. Now you have an omnivore guide and a vegetarian. Now this is eating with intuition, eating with intention, but we also wanted to supply solid, amazing foods. Easy to make. There's so many amazing recipes here, protein balls, veggies, snacks. And I'll just even show you up here the table of contents for the recipes. So you have so many, right here you have the different basic recipes for omnivore. We've even made suggestions like pair this with, pair this with salmon, or pair this with, tri-tip steak. And I'll show you that in the suggested meals and the pantry list. But we wanted to have really healthy, yummy, delicious, beautiful meals. This is gluten-free. We do not have gluten in here. There's lots of really just yummy and delicious salads and dinners that are just full of love and abundance. And you will see in the vegan, we have, of course, it will say dairy-free cheese. But we wanted this to, of course, feed into your omnivore clients. Then we have a vegan, and yes, this is vegan. So you will see right here your table of contents, and you will see avocado toast. So that's with tomato and basil instead, breakfast sandwich. And for those of you who don't like tofu, which we don't put in a lot of our programs, there are so many amazing, healthy kind of bean sautés. You can swap that out. Again, this is eating with intention and intuition. Sides. So if your client said, oh, I'm still hungry, great, go to your sides, add a soup. So it's really teaching what I call that intuitive meal matrix, which is somebody saying, what does my body really desire? What do I really want to eat today? How's this making me feel? Then you have the suggested meals and the pantry list. So you have that for 3 months. And you might be saying, as we discussed together as a team, is this better for us to not put any meals down? But I think for many of my clients, and I know for the coaches who gave us their suggestions, it can be really difficult if we haven't tapped into intuition to try to figure out, and life is so overwhelming. So we planned out every week. Here's your pantry list, everything right here. Beautifully designed, simple. And then the same for the vegan. And you will see that it's mapped out right there. Then we go into your business folder. We actually created a how to use this program, so you'll get access to that right away. We have 2 freebies. They are so beautifully designed. You can see the promo images here. We take such pride in the images that we create because that's how you're going to get better conversion rates. You have the 2D and 3D covers, which look gorgeous. So beautiful. You have a guide, the intuitive eating guide for the busy person. Talking just about mindful eating and stress in this world, and an opt-in page and thank you. Learn how to create a beautiful relationship with food. Too often, many of us don't have that. And again, we feel physically starved, emotionally starved. So many topics. 5 promo images. So beautiful. You have the 2D and the 3D. You have the cover, and I showed you how beautiful the guide was, and an opt-in page and thank you. You have 2 PowerPoints. This could be done as a live. This could be done as a workshop. This could be done in so many different ways. A webinar. You can easily swap out the pictures if you so desire. You have a script to go through it and promotional images. They're beautiful. Then we have the 10 principles of eating with intuition. So beautiful. And then, of course, you have your 5 promotional images. And the script. You then have the 2D and 3D covers. In case you want to rearrange anything differently. You have 6 pre-marketing emails. You have 14 support emails to use in a Facebook forum, send directly to your client, and in an onboarding for your client, one-on-one, or to use with automation. You have 20 blogs. And you will see people say, can you show me the blogs? We put pictures there, make it simple for you so that you could use these as blogs or newsletters. There are 20. You have a coaching package from strategy session email to offline checklist to be working. You have a testimony, you have session notes. You have a beautiful collage to put right onto your sales page or to promote. Very clean and simple. The flat covers for the program. You have the kickoff and wrap up. Again, also with a script. Then you have your wrap up. These can be pre-recorded. They could be also done live. I sent to everyone when I was doing my live groups face-to-face, I sent everyone the PDF. So all you have to do is save this as a PDF and send your participants. You have a sales page, and then you have 20 promo images. And look how beautiful they are. So beautiful. Those are the kind of images that make people stop. You have a flyer that you can turn into a JPEG. We do it in PowerPoint to make it easy for you to change. You can turn that into a JPEG, and then we give you PayPal buttons. And that is everything that you get when you buy this amazing program at yourhealthcoachbiz.com. I'll see you guys later.